As a 3-time Transworld Goodwood Award winner and star of endless video segments, no board has seen more screen time than Capita's team favorite, the Ultrafear. The Ultrafear features a versatile dual reverse camber flat kick freestyle shape with zero camber through the insert area and elevated contact points to turn on a dime. With Kevlar Titanal body armor and a 1.5mm cork edge dampening system, alongside the high-strength Holy Sheet fiberglass configuration, the technically advanced composition of the Ultrafear provides increased ollie power and a toughness coveted by many riders. Loaded with high-end technical attributes and further upgraded with the new dual blaster Ash Pop core and a quantum drive high-speed sintered base, the Ultrafear stands as one of the greatest jib and park boards in the world. Available in a wide range of sizes, the Ultrafear is the perfect board for riders looking for a high-performing freestyle and park series.